everybody, James Akers here, the tie guy. Today I have a treat for you. Well, it's actually a treat for me, but you know what I'm saying. I am tying a brand new Kiton classic gorgeous silk tie that I am in love with. This thing is absolutely phenomenal. As you know, Kiton is one of the best brands in the whole world. Their motto is the best of the best plus one. So they don't settle just for the best of the best. It's the best plus one. This Kiton tie is just an absolutely gorgeous classic diagonal stripe. It is a really pretty deep purple, and the stripes are a pink with a little pink and a little bit of red in them. So we're pairing that with the pink shirt today because it's just going to bring those pink stripes out, and it's freaking sexy. So anyway, the silk on a Kiton tie just lays absolutely perfect. It's pretty plush, pretty thick tie. And it's just a very luxurious silk. You know, I can say this: you're not going to beat Kiton when it comes to pretty much anything in the world. If you hear a squeaky toy in the background, my baby Zegna, she's my dog. She turned 1 year old today, so happy birthday to Zegna. And I am not going to kick her out of the room and tell her not to play because it's her birthday. So you guys just have to deal with some squeaking because it's my dog's birthday. Anyway, let's tie this tie up and see how it comes together. I'm excited about this tie. Just got it in a couple days ago, and I have been itching to tie it. But I like to tie them in front of you guys. So it's a pretty thick tie, so we're going to need a lot of slack here, probably somewhere all the way down in this range. Nice thing about Kiton, they make them with a lot of material. So even though I'm going pretty long over here, I still got a lot of slack here to work with on the short side. So let's take the short part, or the long part of the tie, over the short part. We come underneath, up and through. And my dog is having a good old time. Now we're going to come down around behind, up over, down and through. Now call us a checkpoint. We want to make sure the triangle is coming together. Look at that, it's absolutely beautiful. Now we'll come over the top, creating a little pocket here. Then we'll come up in behind, up and through, and we're going to push the tie down through the pocket we just created. Now this is creating a very lush knot. It's going to be a very nice plush knot. We turn the sides down a little bit so that we don't have any weird gapping or anything like that, and we tighten up the knot by holding the knot, pulling the long part of the tie. Then we're going to pull down on the, we're going to pull the short part of the tie and pull the knot up to bring it up towards our neck here. And now we're going to bring, we want to check for our length first of all. We want the tip of the tie. That is this part of the tie right here to be somewhere between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. And as you can see, we have accomplished, mission accomplished. Houston, it's over. It's right there, just past the top of the belt buckle, looking good. I like it. Let's bring the collar down and let's see how this whole thing comes together here. What a tie. Kiton makes a freaking great product. They're not cheap though, but man, they're good. So let's make sure we don't have any gap right here. I'm going to tighten the knot just a little bit because we were just past the top of the belt buckle. So by bringing the tie up a little bit, that's going to bring it up. So I'm tightening it up a little bit. Pull on the short part, bring that tie up. Look at that, no gap. Perfect, gorgeous knot. Now we're going to tuck this into the back, into the keeper or the strap on the back. And we still have our placement and everything else. Now the look is going to be scrolling across the bottom of your screen. I'm going through it with you right now. Today we're wearing a charcoal gray Hermenegildo Zegna Suit. Get tongue-tied saying that name. I absolutely love it. Zegna Suit. Again, my dog is named after Zegna. Charcoal gray. We're wearing a pink Brooks Brothers shirt. We're wearing a phenomenal purple Kiton classic tie with diagonal stripes. Today we're pairing that with a Salvatore Ferragamo black belt with a gold belt buckle and red sole, Christian Louboutin, black Oxfords. These are some rocking shoes. Absolutely love them. My stylist, Leonardo, down at Nordstrom in Charlotte, North Carolina, hooked me up with these. Great job, Leonardo, and they're looking good. So check out my Instagram if you will. It's Tie Guy James Akers. On my Instagram, you're going to see close-ups of the shoes, the belt, the tie, selfies of me wearing the tie, close-ups of the knot, the whole outfit staged, everything else. So check that out. Guys, if you like my videos, please click subscribe and like. I appreciate you guys, but as for me, I'm ready for work.